Hey folks, I've compiled a list of the 5 best paying URL shortener websites to start earning money online. Those websites will help you to generate some income online. You can earn up to 220 per 10,000 views depending on where your clicks are coming from. Knowing the best and legit pay URL shortener website can save you a lot of hassle and earn quick bucks online. I always get comments on my website and my YouTube channel. What is the easy way to make money online? Folks, there is no easy way to make money online. To make money online, you need to understand the processes and the steps. Paying URL shortener website can be a quick way to make money online, and you can start generating few bucks as soon as you start getting traffic to your links. But it's not also an easy way to make money online. It also requires time and effort to make decent money online. Some people do not believe that you can actually make money online, and other thing, people who are making money online are scammers. The worst part is there is a lot of information on the internet about making money online. It's confusing a lot of people, and some fail to make even $1. To avoid confusing information that delay your success, you need to find the right system that will help you to build your mindset and actually make money online. I will show you the right platform you can sign up and start learning how you can make passive income online. To generate an income online, whether you need $100 or $1,000 per day, depends on your mindset. If you stick with me until the very end, I will show you a simple secret that you can use and start earning a bit more with the paying URL shortener website. Again, if you want to know what I recommend to my subscribers, keep watching this video until the very end. Before I show you the 5 best paying URL shortener website and start earning money online, please smash the like button to push the YouTube algorithm. By liking this video, it will increase the chance for more people to find this video on YouTube. By also liking this video, it will motivate me to make more videos like this and help you folks to make money online. By the way, if it's your first time to my channel, my name is Frank Chanda. I'm a French speaker, I'm an online entrepreneur and affiliate coach. I give tips and training on how to build a successful online business with internet and affiliate marketing. I also review other programs that claim to help people to make money online. Therefore, you need to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification next to it. Whenever I upload new video, you'll get my notification. You can also find all the links for everything that I mentioned in this video in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. One reason to subscribe to my channel, you'll never be broke again, but you need to take action, and my channel will help you to avoid scam online. What is a URL shortener and how it works? A URL shortener is a process of shortening a long URL that consists of more characters and make it short and still redirect you to the original URL. Let me show you an example. Let's check on Amazon. Let's say you want to share this product with your friends or on social networks. You can click on the text. This is a short URL already shortened by Amazon. The full URL is here. You can see how long it is and how ugly this link is. It looks very spammy and people might not click on it. If you are sharing this link on the platform that has a limited number of characters to type, URL shortener website will short your link, save a lot of number of characters. There are plenty of URL shortener websites. Some you can use for the business purpose and some you can use it to generate some income online. The best paying URL shortener website that I'm going to show you in this video will help you to earn some money online. If you stick with me until the very end, I will show you the secret how to earn more money online than what you get with those paying URL shortener website. Before I start showing the best paying URL shortener website, let me first explain how those platforms work and how you can earn money from them. The paying URL shortener websites are generally an advertising platform where business owners will pay a fee to advertise their services and products. Let's say you want to share this product on social networks. You will copy this link and shorten it. Once people click on this link, before it redirects them to the product page, they will first see an ad for a certain time before they land to the final destination. We are getting paid for the number of people who view those ads. The more clicks you get, the more money you make. Let me show you how it works. Here I'm inside of one of the paying URL Shortener website. I can copy this long link and paste it here and click shrink. This is my short link, and if someone click on this link, they will see an ad. This website pay a fee to place the ad here. The more clicks you get to this link, the more money you make. You can skip the ad and land to the final destination. Here is the secret that can help you to earn a bit more. You can sign up with Amazon Associate Program or other affiliate networks and pick 2 or 3 products. Get your link and use those URL Shortener website that I'm going to show you now, and get your short link and share it on Facebook groups related to the product. If people click on the link, you will earn money from the ad. If they skip the ad and see the product that you are sharing, and if they buy it, you earn up to 10% commission. You can earn a lot of money with this method if you know how to drive traffic to your link. This method of earning is called affiliate marketing. Let me show you the 5 best paying URL Shortener websites that you can sign up now and start earning money online. The first one is Linkvertise. Linkvertise is one of the best paying URL Shortener websites located in Germany. This platform is growing fast with over 1 million users have signed up. You can earn up to $70 per 1,000 views. You can also get sign up bonus. You can have 5% of your referral income for a lifetime. Payment frequencies, daily payment method, PayPal, bank transfer, or Amazon coupon. The second one is ShrinkMeio.io. You can sign up with ShrinkMeio in 3 easy processes and start earning money online by shortening your URL and drive traffic to it. You can earn $220 per 10,000 views. Your clicks need to come from Greenland. If you need more information, you can check out my ShrinkMeio.io review. I'll put the link in the description. You can also earn a sign-up bonus for $1. A minimum payout is $5. A referral, you can earn 20% of your referral income for a lifetime. Payment frequency, daily payment method, Bitcoin, PayPal, Perfect Money, and bank transfer in India. The third one is Adfly. It does not cost any money to sign up with Adfly. All you need is to create your account and receive a confirmation email. Once you confirm your account, you are ready to start earning cash by shortening your URL and share them on social networks. The more clicks you make, the more money you make. The click that come from United States has a higher CPM, $9 per 1,000 views. There is no sign up bonus. Minimum payout is $5. Referral, you earn 20% for every $100 your referral earn. Payment frequency, pay on the 10th of each month, and daily payment only for users that have been paid out at least once on the monthly automated payment. The fourth one is OKIO. OKIO is another paying URL Shortener website located in the US. It works very similar to ShrinkMeio.io, and you can earn up to 27 per 10,000 views. It also depends where your clicks are coming from. Clicks that come from Australia, the CPM is very higher than in other countries. They also don't have a sign-up bonus. Minimum payout is $5. Referral, earn 20% for your referral income for a lifetime. Payment frequency, daily payment. The fifth one and the last one is Shorty.st. Shorty.st was registered in 2013. They've been in the business for a while and they know what they are doing. You can register with Shorty.st and start earning online with your links. You can earn $2 to $7 per 1,000 views depending on the country where your clicks are coming from. They have a sign-up bonus of $1. Minimum payout is $5. Referrals, $20 for your referral income for a lifetime. Payment frequency, daily payment. Payment method: web payment, PayPal, Bitcoin, Gri, and Pesa. The big question here is earning money from the paying URL shortener website worth it? The amount of time you spend shortening your URL and generating traffic to those URLs and what you get in return as a revenue is not worth it. Paying URL or link shortener website do not pay much. You can earn cents per click. Generating traffic to link is more like affiliate marketing. There are many business owners who want people like you and me to drive traffic to their website. They will give you a unique link, also known as affiliate link, to drive traffic to, and whenever someone clicks that link, they will land on the product page. If someone buys the product or the service, you'll make a commission. Those paying URL shortener websites also have an affiliate program called referral program. The problem with those websites is they don't pay much and the potential of making decent money is very low. Let's look at ShrinkMeio. If you generate 10,000 clicks that come from higher paying country, you can earn 220. And if your referral also earn 220, you get 20% commission, which is $44 commission. Let's say you have found a program on ClickBank that costs $30 and you sign up for the affiliate program and get your unique link that you can promote, and the program pay 20% in commission and you manage to generate 10,000 clicks. From the 10,000 clicks, only 10% of those clicks manage to buy the product that you are promoting. 20% of $30 is $6. If you times it by 10%, that comes from 10,000 clicks, which is 1,000 buyers. You can make $6,000 in commission. Can you see? Same effort, different income. Generating 10,000 clicks online is not an easy job. For me, I would rather start an affiliate marketing business than waste my time and energy with paying URL shortener websites that pay a little money. If you want to learn how to generate quality traffic and build a successful business online with affiliate marketing, you can sign up for my free 7-day email course and learn how to build a stream of income online. In conclusion, paying URL shortener website can be the best starting point to earn few bucks online. If you are a newbie in this making money online, you can start with those websites to have some surety that you can actually earn money online. But I do believe even if you are a beginner and follow the right system and you commit, you can make decent money than what you're gonna get, than what you are getting with those paying URL websites. I'll put the link in the description to start your free training and learn how you can start your affiliate marketing business and make passive income from home. If you find this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and training on how to make money online. Thank you for watching. Until next time.